Within the wind energy sector, the planning of the lift is highly critical. Having qualified people both rig the loads, plan the loads, and execute the plan and brief it to all the personnel are leading indicators of a safe operation. To help facilitate this, CICB's Wind Service Advanced Rigging and Lift Plan program will prepare your people to analyze rigging, to plan the rigging, to analyze the cranes, the activities, the load charts, to plan a lift, to analyze an existing lift plan, to verify its functionality. This program includes rigging fundamentals, because most crane accidents are associated with something as simple as applying your slings wrong. Then we get into the rigging math, the formulas that have to be used, the lift planning, load weight determination, center of gravity, how to balance an out of balance load, how to flip a load, how to use chain falls and come-alongs to move a load through and around obstructions. This program is heavy into the hands-on and heavy into planning. You'll be given a number of scenarios, and in a team, you will plan a lift, determine what rigging you need, what crane you need, where the crane has to be positioned, who's going to do the job, and you're going to create the documentation necessary to plan and coordinate that lift so that you can brief it to your crew. This program is also necessary for the crews themselves, the people that are executing the lifts, that are going to be applying the rigging, doing the math, and selecting the gear to pick up your expensive components.